In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding your Dasher card to your Cash App, enabling you to conveniently transfer funds between the two platforms. First, open the Cash App and navigate to the profile icon, which will take you to the linked bank screen. Tap on the Add Debit Card option and carefully enter the details of your DasherDirect card, ensuring accuracy to avoid any issues. Once your card is successfully linked, you'll see it displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the bank icon, and you'll be presented with the Add Cash option. Here you can input the desired amount you wish to transfer from your DasherDirect card to your Cash App balance. The transfer can be made using the preset amounts or a custom amount of your choice. After the transaction is complete, you'll receive a confirmation indicating the successful transfer of funds. This integration between your DasherDirect card and the Cash App provides a seamless way to manage your finances, allowing you to move money between the two platforms with ease. Whether you need to access your Dasher earnings or simply transfer funds, this process simplifies the task, saving you time and effort